I'm Alex from Pilotline. Today I'm going to show you how to use your brand new coil winder. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to load the mandrel. This is a 0.5 millimeter mandrel, so we're going to use our smallest mandrel guide, the 0.5 millimeter guide. It threads on either side of the wire payout. For this example, I'm going to put it on the right. Now that the mandrel guide is installed, we'll go ahead and place the mandrels in the chucks. And next, the subspindle. The subspindle can be positioned as needed depending on the length of your mandrel. Once the mandrel is threaded into the subspindle, you can tighten the cleats here, and we're done. Now let's power on the machine. To power on the machine, just press the power button. A flashing green light lets you know the machine is booting. Once you see a steady light, you're ready to go. Now let's jog the carriage close to the spindle. Use the arrow keys on the screen to move it. If you hit the limit switch, no problem. Just back off until it's off. You'll see the current position says -493 here. We'll press set 0 to set that to our new 0 position. Now let's thread the wire. Place the Steger bobbin on the holder and thread like so. Under the horizontal pin, over that vertical pin, and between these two. Then tape your wire to the chuck. Now let's adjust the microscope. First, pan all the way down, like this. Next, loosen the top screw to tilt the microscope forward. If we go too far, we'll see some of this black anodizing. The goal is only to have the white background in view. That's good there. Now let's focus our image. Now let's jog the machine forward to bring the coil into view. Press the forward button to jog the machine. This turns the spindles forward. You can also jog it reverse, but you can't go back because it'll loosen the wire. Once the wire is in view, the angle pilot will automatically detect the angle. Green lines means many edges have been detected. Yellow is fewer and red is critical. You can turn off the lines by pressing Show All, Show Median, or Show None. We'll leave them on for now. Next, I want to focus your attention to the console. There are 4 tabs on the left of the screen: Main Screen, Program Screen, Lock Screen, and Settings Screen. Let's start on the main screen. It displays the carriage current position, current spindle speed, current program and its steps, real-time feed rate override, various jog buttons, set 0 and go to 0. Now let's go to the program screen. There's 2 sample programs, but I'm going to add and edit a new one. Just press the plus sign to create a new program. Here it is, Untitled Program. Press Edit to change the name. We'll set the name to Program C. You can add a detailed description if you want. And you can even adjust the mandrel tension by program. Since this is a smaller mandrel, we'll leave that at 1. Now let's add some operations. Press the plus icon to add an operation. We'll do an open pitch move with a pitch of 12 thousandths in inches and a distance of 30 millimeters. Let's add another operation. Now we'll do a move where the angle is controlled, and I'll select 5 degrees. For the number of turns, let's pick 2,000. We'll leave the spindle speed at 900 and press Done. Our program is ready to go. The next screen I want to talk about is the lock screen. You can choose to lock the machine or change the password. By default, the password is 1234. Let's go ahead and lock the machine. When the machine is locked, you cannot edit the programs or change the programs, only execute them. To unlock the machine, just type in your password. 1234, unlock. You can change the password, and it can be any alphanumeric string that you'd like. Just remember, don't lose your password. To start a program, just press play. You can change the feed rate in real time right here. And in this segment, you can see we're making an open pitch move, which is exactly what we programmed here. Now we've transitioned to closed pitch, and the machine is targeting an angle of 5 degrees, regardless of pitch. After the specified number of turns are completed, the machine stops. To remove a coil, first tape the wire, then cut the wire. The mandrel can be removed and the coil slid out. Now let's take a look at the finished coil. To power down the machine, just press and hold the power button. Once the screens turn off, you can walk away. And that's how you use your coil winder. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on this machine or any other, please go to pilotlinetools.com.